Welcome back to another Millennial in Debt video. If you are new here, hit that subscription button below and turn on the notification bell so you get that every single time I upload a video. I missed doing that intro. I'm surprised I even got through it in the first try. You know I'll be stumbling through my words. But this video, and I'm not even going to pretend like I moved from the seat from the last video, because when I move, we don't get the videos. I planted my ass in this seat. All right, so this video is going to be 8 jobs in tech that you can do remotely from home. Let's get into it. First up, we have a cloud solutions architect coming in at $119,000 a year, baby. Now, what does a cloud solutions architect do? It sounds very similar to exactly what the title says, with a little more finesse and detail. They are taking care of the cloud system for whatever company it is that they're working for. For this particular position, you're also going to need some experience with PHP, Java, Python, all those fun little coding things, but again, does not require you to have formal schooling. Database admin coming in at number 2, making $72,000 nationally on average. This particular job designs, installs, and maintains different databases in that particular field or company or whoever they are working for, and make sure that everything is copacetic. You're going to need some sort of knowledge or experience in database query language. Query, you know what I mean, in order to get a job with this position. A DevOps engineer makes $92,000 annually, and what they do at the basis of their job is to make sure that the website is working fundamentally well, right? So think about a DevOps engineer for a Target or a Amazon or whatever, these big stores. They need to make sure that their website is up and running at all times and really doesn't have any bugs that are slowing down or ruining the user experience. So that database, that DevOps engineer is responsible for that particular upkeep of that website. For this particular position, you're going to have a very strong technical knowledge and know how to, fix bugs and things and, keep things running. You're also going to probably need to know a bunch of different coding languages, like I said, Python, Java, all those cool things, in order to be, a fully functional member of whatever dev team you're on. A quality assurance analyst makes $54,000 a year, and what they're doing is they are testing websites, apps, programs to make sure that they're functioning, to uncover any bugs that might be happening on that particular website before it goes out to the user. So it's kind of like the pre-DevOps engineer, but they have less technical know-how. They would just pass on any problems to that engineer. But they're like, forefront. They're like the little military pawns. What are you trying to say, girl? Anyway. Salesforce admin makes about $66,000 a year. This particular role may require you to go to formal schooling or have a Salesforce certification. It really depends on what the company is looking for and their minimum requirements, of course. Now, what does a Salesforce admin do? They pretty much manage the Salesforce application, they maintain it, and they make sure that different developments are happening in that Salesforce sphere, funnel, maybe. They also create Salesforce solutions and automated processes. Good job, girl. A security engineer makes about $88,000 annually, and they are so crucial, especially in the last 19 months, because they are the barricade between us and the hackers and just all the terrible things. They're preventing us from, losing our privacy. Do we have privacy? But that's essentially what they do. They're like the gate around all the cloud tech things that we're all involved in. A solutions architect makes $116,000 annually. This particular position does require 99.9% of the time for you to have a degree in computer programming, computer science, information tech, or information science, essentially, in order for you to secure a position with ease, I guess. So what do? They consult and act like an advisor to companies for different technological solutions to be implemented into the company. They do have to have pretty good customer service skills as well as really good consultation. They have to work well with people while creating these solutions, for the most part. And last but certainly not least is technology project manager, coming in on average at $91,000 a year. I've been seeing these positions all over the internet, so this is really important. And what I like about this is you don't really need a specific degree as long as you can show your skills in project management, because this is specific to the tech world. You are going to have to show some sort of tech project management skills or information, but this is a crucial, really big job that people are looking for all over the place. And you're pretty much, managing the cost of the development of the project, the overseeing how, it's being marketed and all these things. You're pretty much the head person, let's be non-binary. You're the head person over a huge project that whatever business or brand is overseeing and rolling out. And there we have it. I hope this video was very useful for you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.